Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear brake light bulb with an LED on an Audi A6 C5 sedan. It's very easy to do. First, lift the trunk lid and then open the trim cover of the cargo compartment on either the left or right side. After that, remove the bulb holder from the rear taillight by pressing the retainers and pulling it inward. As you can see, I have a regular incandescent bulb installed, and let's replace it with an LED. To do that, twist the bulb and remove it from the holder. Next, take the LED bulb that I bought earlier and insert it into the holder. You'll be able to see immediately if it's working or not. Insert the bulb assembly back into the rear taillight and observe how much brighter the brake light have become. Don't forget to replace the bulb on the opposite side. See you in the next videos. Bye for now.